Suena las cosas. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright. Oh, boom. Alam nang naputo kasi yung ayong nakiyan.
Here's the deal. This is all about speed and commitment.
Monster truck. Alright. Good. No. I like. Gee, oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. my god. Alright. Sweet. Ooh. Nice.
Okay. Boss was right about you. The boss will be in touch.
Rồi. Con sổ số đi ra ra bích. Oh my god. Ooh.
Who the fuck is this?
Son, get back to the ranch, and I'll explain everything. And I mean everything.
Can't you just tell me now? I guess not.
Okay.
I got here as fast as I could, CJ. Come on, man, look out!
We need to jack a truck on the freeway. It's headed to San Fierro.
Okay. Komme kjøre. Yes.
We can get on the freeway here, Holmes! What's the plan?
I'm gonna pull alongside and you gonna hop aboard.
Oh shit, you didn't mention that on the phone!
It'll be a walk in the park.
Tell Kendall I love her!
There's a rig up ahead.
Closer, CJ, closer! Keep level, CJ, keep level! Just a little closer, Holmes! Speed up, CJ! Just a little bit slower! Closer, CJ, closer! Just a little closer, Holmes!
Oh my god.
Just a little bit slower! Just
Oh
a
my
little
God.
closer, Holmes! Just a little closer, Holmes! What do you think? I'm a Mexican
Kame.
jumping bean closer! Match the truck speed! What do you think? I'm a Mexican jumping bean closer!
ก็ชุกกุมเนาะ
Match the truck speed!
Alright. Alright.
Okay, CJ, let's get this rig back to the garage.
Oh my god. Alright. To the garage. Oh my god.
Come on now.
Ooh.
West Coast got 230.
All aboard.
Oh my God! What the fuck are you doing, man? Yeah. Nice and easy, nice and easy. All right. All right. Huh. What the fuck? Ah, all right. Save it. A monster.
Oh, damn.
Ooh.
Here, now. Don't screw around.
What an asshole.
The fuck?
I've been divorced 8 times.
Maybe you in the way.
All right. Oh, gee.
Want me to drive it for you? Be intelligent. Don't make a big deal out of this. Watch it.
Ooh. Ah. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You on the grand or something?
Yeah. Come on, man. Hey, what you doing, stupid cop? What the fuck? All right.
Roger that, big monkey. I got a 13-6 fat vulture. Need to acquire a drowning baby. Over. What? In 15 by the fat moon. Break your heart. Over and out. Carl, I need you to do me a favor.
Yeah, I'll do you a proper injury, man. What you knowing about my brother?
Relax. He's in prison upstate. D-Wing. Cell 13. To the left, I got a child killer who wants to rip his throat out. To the right of him, I got a white supremacist who wants to eat his heart, to be precise. Now, don't worry. Tenpenny and Pulaski are really relatively benign, unless, of course, you're a family member of Officer Pendlebury, whom they shot when he threatened to expose them. But you do know all about that, right?
Damn. Hey, man, how you know all this stuff, man? And won't you stop it?
You just don't understand, do you, kid? Look, it's all white knights and heroes. We have to make decisions, kid. You know, I try to set bad people on other bad people, and sometimes I let good guys die.
Blah, 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 blah. All right. Mm-hmm. Take this. Yep. Cool enough. Uh-huh.
That's a very original name. I didn't know no one's listening to this show.
Alright. Alright.
Sounds like he's been programmed. He's been lying to all this unethical. This story is
Oh my god! No!
by the very devices
No, 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 no.
uncontrolled devices. We'll have to leave that.
No.
You are reading Area 53. Until next time, stay alert.
You're leaving Area 53. Check your record.
Zoom! Alright. Boom!
Clucking bell. Suffering never tasted so good.
Lonely?
Hey. Alright.
Maybe we leave that for now, amigos. Lion eats
Taking another clue, I
Oh my God.
totally love my boyfriend, but like, good one. I don't know what to do.
Alright. Ooh. Ooh.
I mean, I swear,
Easy,
I don't know anything. And he throws down the window and acts like it's all cool. And it's not cool. Why do men have this problem?
Oh my god. Alright. Good. Nope. No. 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 Ah! Oh. No, no. God. No. All right. Ooh. Nice. Nah. No. 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 Ah, stupid. Oh my god. I suck at.
Also, police are celebrating the removal of a major crack cocaine ring by undercover police that has virtually stopped the flow of drugs into Los Santos. Richard spoke to a man on the scene.
That's right, Leanne. It's another victory for Prohibition. Police are really celebrating after this one. One officer told me his amazing true-life story of how he infiltrated a drug ring and how cool it was to get paid to get high. Yeah,
Whoops. Yeah.
I doubt it, Tramp. You're crazy. Back to you, man.
Police are struggling to solve the mystery of a container ship found deserted and full of bodies. The FBI is investigating. And government officials denied the existence of an area of Bone County that isn't on the map. Someone who was unprepared to be named
Come on,
said
come on.
the so-called place that isn't called anything doesn't exist. And if it did, we'd name it something. And
Please.
where is Mad Dog under record execs?
Come on.
The rapper has battled alcoholism and egomania for many years and recently missed a concert in Los Angeles. Staying in Venturas, it used to be a patch of desert.
All right.
Mob town. Now it's the corporate headquarters of America. Richard explains from the streets.
That's right, Leanne. It used
Boom.
to be a patch of desert. Then it was a mob town.
$20.
Now it is the corporate headquarters of America. Back to you in the studio.
In foreign news, we have war.
Might as well teach my boy a hunt on the fly. Okay, I don't send how you look at things. Any racemans out there? Hey, suck it up, man. Go home. We don't want to hear. Your game is terrible, and we don't win at it.
My name's Cole, and I'm a big racing fan. I tell you that where I'm from, there's nothing more exciting than street racing going fast 150 and watching cars going in circles for several hours. Yeah!
All right. Ah! Oh. All right. Oh. Oh my God. Come to Papa. Oh, no. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. All right. Apaan ah? Oh! No, no. Oh my God. Oh.
This one, one officer told me his amazing true life story of how he infiltrated a drug ring and how cool it was to get paid to get high.
Yeah, I was undercover smoking crack every day. You know, just to be one of them. I even took my wife undercover and made her a crack hole. Say hello to the newsman, bitch.
Hey, don't I know you? Busted trombone, right?
I doubt it, Tramp. You're crazy. Back to you, man.
Police are struggling
Your mama
to
must-
solve
Oh.
the container ship found deserted and full of bodies. The FBI is investigating. And government officials denied the existence of an
Alright.
area of Bone County that isn't on the map. Someone who was unprepared to be named said the so-called place that isn't called anything doesn't exist. And if it did, we'd name it something. And where is Mad Dog, wonder record execs? The rapper has battled alcoholism and egomania for many years and recently missed a concert in Los Angeles. Staying
Hey!
used to be a patch of desert, then it was a mob town.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Wow. No.
That's right, Leanne. It used to be a patch of desert. Then it was a mob town. Now it is the corporate headquarters of America. Back to you in the studio.
We have war, famine, pestilence, and a lot of envy aimed at our way of life. Stay at home. It's better that way. I'm Leanne Forget.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
This is well-known philanthropist Big Smoke, and you're listening to WCTR. Make a difference to your community. Keep our city drug-free. Look, I'm doing my bit. How are you, though?
Lonely? It's about to get much worse. Lonely Hearts is not
Hey!
I can tell you, this is Lonely Hearts. You know, we get down to It's really
All right.
I want you to listen to me. Pull over. I said pull over. Life is not a game. Life is life.
Come on, man. I can do this.
Like, it's so cool. Well, it's not cool. Why do men have this problem? Hell yeah, I'm a coffee truck. I drink all day, and they'll 2x4.
Come on, man. Sabi nila. Alright. Nice. Ah! Oh. God. Oh my God. Whoa. Down to my goal. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. No. Oh my God. All right. No. What the? Oh my God.
Team 6 Fat Vol-
Blah 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 blah.
Amazing true life story of how he infiltrated a drug ring and how cool it was to get paid to get high.
Yeah, I was undercover smoking crack every day. You know, just to be one of them.
Heya. Sakatani. Pingayusa. Ay nila. Lutsa. Sa pingila. Oh, dapat sinigaw no?
Solve the mystery of a container
Isa,
ship found
kumikita ka
in
nga.
and full of bottles. The FBI is investigating, and government officials denied the existence of an area of Bone County that isn't on the map.
Alright.
Someone who was unprepared to be named said the so-called place that isn't called anything doesn't exist, and if it did, we'd name it something. And where is
Zoom.
that dog Wonder Record exists? The rapper has battled alcoholism and egomania for many years and recently missed a concert in Los Angeles. Staying in Ventura. Used to be in Pancho Desert, then it was a mob town.
Comes
Now
on.
it's the corporate headquarters of America.
Me.
That's right, Leanne.
What the
It used to
fuck?
be a patch of desert. Then it was a mob town. Now it is the corporate headquarters of America. Back to you, Mr.
In foreign news, we have war, famine,
Hey.
pestilence, and a lot of envy aimed at our way of life. Stay at home. It's better. I'm Leanne Forget, WCTR News. Stay alert. They're after us.
This is well-known philanthropist Big Smoke, and you're listening to WCTR. Make a difference to your community. Keep our cities drug-free. Look, I'm doing a lot of it. How are you?
Area 53 is lost.
Did the government encourage school children to teach in school? I'll go.
Oh my God. What the fuck? Kaka, sa pingila. Sa gilutsa. Oh my God. Alright. Come to Papa. Oh, what? No. No. Ah! Nah. Alright. Den var god.
Now stay the
Alright.
fuck down.
Nice. Alright. Oh. Nope. Ah.
My God.
All these West Coast fools say they got skills to pay the bills. Yeah, skills is stealing shit. None of y'all can hold a candle in my Lolita.
Ooh. Whoa. What the fuck?
You're listening to the mouthiest man in here.
Alright. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Oh my god. Alright.
Okay, get the package back to Las Brujas.
Where are you? You giving me the heebie-jeebies, man.
Carl, I will
Jesus.
always be watching, or listening, or both.
Okay. Oops. I can do this. No more mistakes. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Nice. Oh my god. $10,000. Yeah. Oh my god. Aku tekiwo, aku kawawo. Alright.
fantastic. You hit me.
Fantastic. Alright. Alright, partner. You know what time it is. Alright. Nice.